Welcome back. This is going to be another CFEngine video. So let's pick another client, so to speak, to install, and let's make it the Windows server. So now what we would like to do is to start up a Windows machine. This is going to be the 2019 machine, and once the system has booted, what we can do is to download the MSI package and then bootstrap the agent. So this MSI package is going to be like a small installer, and once the installation is completed, we need to use basically the same command as we used when the policy server was installed. So let's open up a browser. Yes, use the recommended. And here I would like to copy the link address. And there. Okay, let's add it. Now we can save the package, and once it is saved, we can view the downloads, actions, run anyway. Alright, now we can open up a command line and use the C, program files, CFEngine bin, CFEngine, bootstrap 192.168.56.2, and if everything goes well, we should be able to see the new agent on our dashboard. So let's wait for this process to complete. And the bootstrap completed successfully. Let's go back to our browser, refresh the host page, and it should be able to Alright. CFEngine, and here we would like to have C, program files, CFEngine, binary, CFEngine -K. Alright, and if you use the enterprise, you cannot. So if we are evaluating enterprise or otherwise using it in an environment with less than 25 agents, we do not need a license, or we do not have an expiry, so to speak. And we can see that we have two hosts, but the Windows is not yet here. Alright. Let's run the CFEngine. Alright. This is okay. And why is it not visible? CFEngine Enterprise Inventory not updated. Alright. Let's see what it does for the other bootstrap. But anyway, so technically this is how you can add a Windows agent. And let's give it another shot. Enterprise agent not visible after bootstrap. Yeah, we have the bootstrap. All right. All right. So technically, that was it. Compliance. Health. What we can also do is to check the var log CFEngine install log. That's not the one. Promise summary log. Let's check the state. And CF CentOS log. All right. So that was all. See you in the next one.